Charmers! I got my BoxyCharm box for this month and I'm so excited to show you how I did this look using all of the goodies that I got in this box. You want to see what I'm doing? You want to see how I did this? Keep on watching. Okay, Charmers, so the first product that I'm going to be picking up is the Dermalec Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. And this is a face serum with concentrates of retinol in it, so I think that this is a perfect step to start my makeup. So as you can see, it comes with a dropper and the product itself is very liquidy. I'm just pressing it right here so you can see the consistency of it. Ooh. It looks messy right now, but it doesn't really matter because these are like to spread it out everywhere. I'm gonna be following that up with the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, and I think that this is the perfect serum that is not only gonna like nourish and firm my under eyes, but it's also gonna hydrate them as well, which we love having good hydration in this channel, you know. So these, I'm only gonna take 2 little pea size like these, and then I'm gonna apply this under the eye only. First spreading it all the way down into my cheeks as well. And then with the rest of it, only using these 2 fingers, I'm gonna also spread it in the top part of my eye. So the next product is one that I'm really excited about. This is the 4-in-1 makeup pen by Alley-Oop. And this pen, as you see, it has 4 different colors on top, which actually I never seen anything like this in makeup. I only seen this when I was back in high school. And this includes 4 different colors that you can use for 4 different applications. You can use it as a highlighter for your brows, as a liner. So it's super easy to use. All you have to do is press down the color. Once you select the color that you want to use, hold it and twist so the tip comes out on the other side. I picked up the brown side, so I'm gonna use this for my brows, and let's see how this works. It's not as emollient as some of the other brow pencils that we have gotten in the box in the past, but I really love the texture and how easy it was. Look at that. Okay, so I just switched to the lightest color in the pen, which I think it could work perfectly good for like a brow highlight. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's interesting because I can see it painted, but I'm so used to usually putting something bigger. This is a small tip, you know, so it doesn't really like create the whole highlight effect like I would like, unless I kind of like paint it like this. But she's sickening. You see that? You see that little moment right here? This pen did it. Okay, Charmers, as you can see, I already came back with my base already done, and I need to set it right now. And I think that the perfect product to set it is this one right here. This is the Alamar Hydrating Complexion Trio. As you can see, this palette includes 2 shades that you can use as bronzer and contour, and then 1 shade that works perfectly as a highlighter or as a brightening powder. And I honestly love this palette so much because it includes hyaluronic acid in the powder, so it also helps smooth out your texture. So first I'm gonna start taking this bright shade with a dense brush, and this one it's called I Am Woke. And I love this palette so much. Let me show you the difference, because look at this, look at my eyes right now, and look, you're gonna see how bright they're gonna be in 1 second. 3, 2, 1, poof. As you can see, I applied it only on this side, and I feel like there's a huge difference already between one side and the other. I love to use this as an under eye setting powder. I also like to use this even to set my concealer that I put on top of my eyes. It gives me a perfect blank canvas that I can apply my eyeshadows on top. So now I'm going to be taking this BoxyCharm contour brush, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of the shade Always Summer, which I think it's going to be a perfect contour shade for me. And I love, like I said, these powders, they're really good for blending out texture. As you can see, it looks all so smooth, and because it has hyaluronic acid inside of the powder, it also kind of minimizes the look of the pores and it makes them seamless. So now I'm going to be taking with a smaller brush the shade Soltera, which is this middle one right here, and I'm going to be doing this in the bridge of my nose, and I'm also going to do it in the eyes to kind of complete the look. And I love always, whenever I'm applying my bronzer / contour shade in my nose, I love to bring it all the way up into my brow to create that kind of like super long visual effect to my nose that it just happens whenever you add that little bit of shadow under your brow. Charmers! So okay, I came back. As you can see, I have my lashes. My look is almost ready. The only thing that I'm missing right now is my lips, and for that I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bulb Lipstick Duo, which comes with a liquid lipstick and also a lip liner. I think this is a great combo for anybody who wants to grow their lipstick collection. I love how creamy these lip liners are. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer creamy lip liners or dry lip liners. And that's it, Charmers. This is the look. As you can see, I am feeling my full fantasy. This was something, honestly, that I was really happy of how it came out, because I was like, you know, let me do something subtle but cute, but it's still like glam, which is very me. And I love the result. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know which is your favorite product of this month's box. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the thumbs up to like this video. And I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye, Charmers!